Are you having difficulty printing emails in Outlook? Well, I'll encourage you to watch this video to the very end as we'll be learning how to print emails using Outlook. First of all, select the particular email that you would want to print, and we'll be using this particular mail as an example. After clicking on the mail, on the right upper part of the screen, you are going to find the ellipsis option, which indicates more actions. Click on it and find the print option. Click on print. It's going to bring out something like this. And at the left upper part of the screen, you are going to find print again. Click on print. Here you get to select and customize the paper to whatever layout, or if you want it colored or in black and white, or you want the margins to be in a particular way or the scale. After customizing it to your desired choice, you go on to click print. It is going to direct you to this particular place where you get to save the email on your computer. Let's say I intend to save this email with Outlook. It is saved to my computer, so I can print whether with my personal printer. It's easy for me to print it that way. If you gained from watching this video, remember to like, and also remember that the subscribe button does not bite. See you next time. Bye.